the pizza box.
I like this idea.
Yeah, we got
it.
it.
Seems like a sauce. Like if you could get like, you know how you go and you build the pasta and they've got like marinara and they've got Alfredo and then they have caramella sauce. It does seem like something you'd have to have.
We need, you know what? In fact, I will give a free plug to any Italian restaurant that comes up with a caramella sauce. So,
I don't.
it's got to have pork
Knowing
in it.
someone's name is a bit weird. It doesn't necessarily seem
You can
appetizing.
come up with a great recipe.
However, we ate General Tso's chicken.
Right.
Right? That's a dude's name.
I'd like spaghetti caramella. Okay, anyway. They can't stop us from putting his name out on that one.
You ban my menu item? Is that what you're
Is
gonna do?
that what you're doing? This is a menu item. I'm telling you, if you come up with a good recipe and you're a restaurant, I will promote you on Facebook with your new caramella sauce. But it's gotta make sense.
It's gotta be on the official menu.
Yeah, it's gotta be something official.
What if your name, like you're another person in the Caramella family? Can you no longer be on Facebook? Are they banning you?
Maybe, I don't know. What if you're a coach in that family and you have a whistle as part of your duty? Can we talk about the coach or the umpire that is a caramella blowing the whistle on the field?
Apparently not.
Apparently not. Okay, so we have that story. But here's an even worse story, I think. This story is about how the media just takes care of its own. We know the story about Rohrbach, the ABC anchor, that off camera was saying, you know, we had this story about Epstein for 3 years and ABC sat on it. So they were looking for the leaker. Well, they found somebody who had accessed this. Now, her story is amazing. All she did was she opened up that file, I think on the day that it happened. She opened up that file, and she pulled that file and put it off into a separate file. Now, she never accessed it again. She went to her bosses at ABC and said, did you see this? This is her job, is to pull things that might be problematic and to pull things for other people. So she said, hey, I pulled this off. This might be problematic. Did you guys see this? They said yes. Okay. Months go by, nothing. She leaves and she moves to CBS. She's a low-level producer at CBS. ABC calls her and calls CBS and says, hey, you know, we had somebody leak this to the press.